Welcome to our channel. If you want to gain early access to new services through limited beta invites, follow these step-by-step instructions to position yourself for exclusive opportunities before public launches. Step 1. Follow companies and startups on social media platforms where they announce beta testing opportunities, enabling notifications so you're alerted immediately when applications open. Step 2. Subscribe to technology newsletters, product launch websites, and beta testing communities that aggregate opportunities for early access programs. Step 3. Create profiles on beta testing platforms like BetaList, Product Hunt, or company-specific early access programs, where you can apply for multiple opportunities. Step 4. When a beta invitation opportunity appears, apply quickly, as limited beta programs often fill within hours or operate on a first-come, first-served basis. Step 5. Craft a compelling application that explains why you're interested in the service and how you'll provide valuable feedback, as many companies select testers based on use case fit. Step 6. Monitor your email closely after applying, as beta invitations may arrive with limited response windows and delays could result in losing your spot. Step 7. Upon receiving an invitation, register immediately using the unique invite code or link provided, completing any required profile setup to activate your access. Step 8. Actively participate in the beta by using the service regularly and providing constructive feedback through surveys or community channels to maintain your access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.